So good morning. Now in the previous class we have discussed the SGB method and to find the value of f, unknown number which in a table which is given. So now here in this class we will discuss the method of state division method. State division. What? New method state division. So same as the previous one, just here we have to do two more steps. That is state division. So a table will be given. Question of 4. 30 women are examined in a hospital by a doctor, and number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for these women, choosing a suitable method. Now, first one, number of heartbeats. Number of heartbeats. Next one, number of women. Number of women. Then here last mark, that is xi. Here we have to find di. Di equal to what? Xi minus a. Then after that we have to find out ui. Ui equal to what? Di divided by h. Then we have to find out fi ui. So this is the method. So now here the tables are 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, then 83 to 86. Frequency 243, 243, then 8742, 8742. Then class mark. On class mark, 65 plus 68 equal to 133. 133 by 2 equal to 66.5. Next one, 139. What is the answer? 69.5. 3 difference, so 72.5, 75.5, 78.5, 81.5, then 84.5. This is the class mark. Then we will find di equal to xi minus a. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the middle one. So consider this one equal to a. So here a equal to here a equal 75.5. Then h equal to, h means the difference of the class interval. Now see here difference of class interval 3, 65, 68, 3, here also 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So h equal to 3. You can find the something later on. 10, 20, 30. Now xi minus a, 66.5 minus 75.5 equal to minus 9. 69.5 minus 75.5 equal to minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 9. Now ui, di minus di by h. Di equal to minus 9. Minus 9 by 3, it is minus 3. Minus 6 by 3, minus 2. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next FIUI. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 3 into -1, -3. 8 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 3, 6. So find summation Fy Ey. Summation Fy Ey. Summation Fy Ey equal to -14. 14 cancel. 7 minus 3, 4. So here the formula is x bar equal to a plus h u bar. A means assuming 75.5. H equal to 3. And u bar equal to summation Fy Ui by summation Fy. Summation Fy Ui by summation of Fy. So 75.5 plus this one 3 into Fy Ui 4 by 30. 4 by 30. Answer 10. 75.5 plus 0.4. 75.9. So this is the mean of this question by assuming method. So let's copy this one. So number hard is given, number of women given, number of women equal to consider f. Then xi class mark. Then di equal to xi minus a. We assume 75.5 equal to a. So subtract them, we will get di. Then ui equal to di by h, or you can write xi minus a by h also. So Fy Ui. Then formula. Finish. Now see 4, 5, 6, 7 all are same. Now we will do mode. One question from mode. So I will do only one question mode. Then let's start your duty. Find the mode. 14.2. Now mode. Now exercise 14.2. Here we will discuss mode. Mode means what? Mode means we know mode means highest number frequency. Which number have the highest number frequency, that is known as mode. So a table will be given. Simply suppose a class was held, the marks are highest frequency, this frequency. Marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The frequency 3, 7, 2, 9, 8. So this is the highest frequency, so the mode will be 4. This one is a simple concept. Now here a table will be given. So by using the formula, we will find out the mode of the table. So age and number of patients. So Ci and what? F given. Ci and F given. 5 to 15. 5 to 15. 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, then 55 to 65. Equals 6, 11, 21, 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Okay, now see in the frequency, which one have the highest frequency? This one. So this is the model class. This will be a what? Model class. Yes. Now in case of mode, what is the formula? Mode equal to L plus, yes, L plus F1 minus F0 by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now what is F1, what is F0, what is F2? See, this number, this is the model class and this is the mode. So this will be considered as F1. The preceding frequency is considered as F0 and the successor will be considered as F2. And this is the lower limit. Lower limit is considered as L and the difference of the class interval is considered as what? H. So here, after we were writing this one, here F1 equal to 23, F0 equal to 21, F2 equal to 14, H equal to 10, and L equal to how much? 35. F1 equal to 23, F0 equal to 21, F2 equal to 14, H equal to 10, and L equal to 35. So replace the value here. 35 plus F1 23 minus F0 21 by twice F1 means 42 minus F0 21 sorry twice F1 F1 46 F0 21 minus 14 into H equal to 10. So 35 plus 2 46 minus 35 equal to how much? 11 into 10. So this one 35 plus 20 by 11 equal 35 plus 20 by 20. Approach 1.8. So 36.8 is the mode. So this is the only one formula to use here. Only one formula. And no need to mention the class model. This is the only one formula that we use to find the mode. Understood? L plus F1 minus F0 by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the solution. Yes? So this must be. In next class, we will discuss how to find a median. Then this chapter will be finished. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.